Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Learning. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to make a simple plant press, how to prepare a specimen for the herbarium, and how to mount that on the herbarium paper. So let's see how to do it. To press the plants, first we need some books, which are at the right side. On the left side, we have some cardboard, which I've collected from the packet of a rice cooker. You can see. I've cut the cardboards in the same shape of the book. Here we have some papers. These are A4 sized papers from the AA brand. These are acid-free papers. I've cut that in the same shape of the cardboard. For pressing the specimens, first take a cardboard and place that on the table, keeping this side up. Then take a piece of paper, place it on it. Then take your specimen and spread it on the paper. If you want, you can do some arrangement of leaves here so that when it is dried, you can get a really nice looking specimen. If you want, you can write down the name of the specimen, in this case tomato leaf, so you don't forget the name of the specimen that you have collected. Then take a piece of paper and place that on the specimen. Then take another cardboard and place that on the paper. Make sure that you keep this side down. So to hold everything together, we'll use two rubber bands, one at each side. So first go for this side, then the other side as well. So we have got a pair of cardboard with a specimen in between. Now I'll show you how to press the specimens. Here I have some other pairs of cardboard, which I prepared in the same way as I did for the first one. For pressing the specimens, first take a book, then take your cardboard pairs and place them on the book, like this way. Then take your other books and place that on the cardboard, like this way. These books will create pressure and make your specimen flat and nicely dried. After 2 to 3 weeks, your specimen will be ready for mounting. Now I'll show you how to mount the specimens on herbarium paper. Here I have another pair of cardboard, which I have kept in my plant press around 2 weeks ago. So let's open it to see what happened. You see, here I have some tomato leaves and some flowers. How nicely dried it is. Look at that. Look at the flower, how thin it is. It's very nicely dried. You see. Here I have some flowers of dahlia and some leaves of dahlia as well. Now we're going to mount that on the herbarium paper. For mounting, I'm using the same paper from the AA brand, A4 size paper, acid-free paper of course. And it's better to use the herbarium paper, but this paper isn't available everywhere, that's why I'm using it. And for mounting the specimen, I'm using the glue water mixture. So to mount, first I'll take the specimen, and then I will take some glue in the paintbrush, and then I'll brush the glue onto my specimen by this way. So do this for all the leaves and stalk as well. Now I'll place that onto my herbarium paper, in this case A4 sized paper, and then lightly press that, and then it's mounted on the paper, you can see. Now I'll do the same process for the rest of the specimens. I've mounted all the specimens. Now this is what's after mounting. Look how beautiful it is. I've arranged the specimens in my style, and you can do it at whichever style you like. So this is the simple way to make a plant press, to prepare the specimen for herbarium, and mount the specimens in the paper.